So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Small Efforts. I hope you all are doing well and staying at home. तो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरे चैनल का the most requested video, which is my hair care routine and some hair growth tips. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please like my video and subscribe it. The bell button is just below there and share it with all your friends. So guys, जब से मैंने चैनल शुरू किया है, the major request which I am getting is about my hair care routine, the hair growth tips and all that stuff of hair. So I thought, why not, let's just do it. Yes, I took a lot of time. That is because all the products which I was using, I wanted it to share it only when I will prove it that yes, it is effectful on everyone, every scalp type, every hair type and all that stuff. So I have been using all this routine in two types of hair type, which is a dry hair and the oily scalp. So I am basically having a oily scalp and one of my friend is having a dry scalp. So we both are using it from last 1 month just to see the results and share it with you all. And trust me, the routine which I am going to share it today is just working wonders on my hair and on my friends too. So I guess we should not waste the time and let's get into the video.
So first we'll talk about the ingredients. I have taken aloe vera gel, one oil and the conditioner. You can take any oil, any aloe vera gel and any conditioner of your choice. Secondly, we'll be taking 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil as per your hair length, and then finally we'll be taking around 2 teaspoons of conditioner. So here I am taking almost 4 teaspoons of hair oil. I am using the Khadi hair oil. You can use any of your choice. Then I'll be taking the conditioner, which I am taking the Tresemme one. You can take whatever you are using right now. Then we're going to mix it up and make it a paste like this, a smooth hair pack kind of paste. So next I'll be applying this paste all over my hair. I am using the fingers. You can use brush also, but I feel that use of fingers make it more easy and then it get into your root and scalp very nicely. You can add vitamin E oil and castor oil also. I was not having it right now with me, that's why I did not add. Otherwise I basically add castor oil and vitamin E also. After applying the pack all over my hair, I will be putting a hot towel over my hair for 1 hour. So it's been 1 hour and now I'm going to share my shampoo, which is the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Salon Perfection shampoo. You can use whatever suits you. So here is the result after the wash. You can see that my hairs are looking very healthy, shiny and smooth.
So guys, as you have seen the hair routine, now I'm going to share 5 amazing tips for hair growth, which is going to work wonders on your hair and you are going to thank me later. The tip number 1 is trimming. Yes, you heard me right. Trimming is very much important for hair growth. I basically prefer to do trimming for like every twice month, which is after every 2 months. So I will also suggest you that please go for trimming on a regular basis, like after every 2 to 3 months, because it's very important. All these split ends will never let your hair to grow. So just to remove all those split ends, trimming is very much important. So my tip number 2 is use of less heat tools. By the word heat tools, I mean the straightener, the curler, the blower and all those products which we use to make our hair look very nice, bouncy and all that stuff. But girls, let me just inform you, the regular use of these products can actually damage your hair because the heat which they produce is very harmful for our hair. It tends to break down our hair and the hair fall occurs, and because of which the hair growth can actually stop. So the tip number 3 is the use of conditioner. Yes, you heard me right. The use of conditioner is very much important. I have seen girls who don't use conditioners. So first I will suggest you that please don't skip your conditioners. Conditioners are equally important just as shampoo, because after doing the shampoo, it just washes out all the natural oils from our hair, but after using the conditioner, the natural products, the natural oil of our hair tends to build up. That's why conditioner is very much important. Now the use of conditioner, how to use the conditioner is also very much important, because I have seen girls who use conditioner but not in the correct way. So basically what we need to do is, after shampooing our hair, on our wet hair only, we need to apply the conditioner not on our roots but from this part to the tips. Basically the conditioners are for the tips, to make it more smoother and to reduce the split ends and all kind of damage to our hair. So please do not use your conditioner on your roots. It is only for your from this area to till your tips. And the use of conditioner is very much important. Please do not skip it. So the tip number 4 is stress. Yes, the stress is not good for our hair, girls. The stress actually tends a lot of hair fall, a lot of breakage on my hair. I have personally experienced this, and by my personal experience, I can suggest you that stress is not good for hair. So my tip number 4 is to avoid stress. Tip number 5 is our last tip, which is to drink more and more and more of water. Yes, you heard me right, girls. The proper intake of water, the proper hydration can actually lead to hair growth, which is very important part of all these tips. Water intake and proper amount of water intake is very much important, because that keeps your body hydrated, and hydration, full body, can actually lead to many good things, which includes hair growth. So my last tip and very important tip is to make yourself hydrated and drink proper water.
So here I am sharing some of my pictures with you just to show my hair length and how it looks after the hair wash. I haven't used any hair serum right now, but whenever I feel frizziness on my hair, I do use it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Important for hair growth. I basically prefer you.